Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 Yukon XL Denali, four-wheel drive, stock number Z6957A. 65,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Onyx black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Power running boards. They come out when the door is open. Seat 7. Leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Dual DVD players overhead. Lots of wireless headphones and a remote. Rear climate control. Middle row seats are also heated. They will fold with the push of a button on the inside of the door. Push again, they will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. Split folding seats, fold flat with the push of a button. You can also fold and tumble the second row seats from here and raise them back up again. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power driver's seat, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, and power adjustable pedals put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Integrated trailer brake control. Large, easy to read gauges. This Denali has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road, leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation to get you where you need to go. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control. And heated as well as ventilated front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Yukon XL has a 6.2-liter V8, 420 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 20 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6957A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.